Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 8, Day 3. Our topic for today is performing addition and subtraction of 3 to 4 numbers up to 2 digits. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Find the sum or difference of the following numbers. Lesson Purpose Intention. To perform addition and subtraction of 3 to 4 numbers of up to 2 digits, observing correct order of operation. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. developing understanding of the key idea STEM. For today's lesson, we will learn how to add and subtract 3 to 4 numbers with up to 2 digits. We will also learn how to follow the correct order of operations to solve them properly. Problem 1. 6 plus 1 minus 2. Some possible observations may include: there are 2 operations, addition and subtraction. The expression includes 3 numbers. Each number in the expression is a 1-digit number. To be able to solve expressions with 3 or more numbers involving addition and subtraction, we follow a specific rule. When a problem has only addition and subtraction, we solve the operations in the order they appear from left to right. Problem 1. 6 plus 1 minus 2. Perform the first operation from left to right. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. And then, use the result from step 1 in the next operation. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So the final answer is 5. Therefore, 6 plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 5. Problem 2. 7 minus 4 minus 2 plus 5. First, perform the first operation from left to right. 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Use the result from the step 1 in the next operation. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Use the result from the step 2 in the next operation. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. The final answer is 6. Therefore, 7 minus 4 minus 2 plus 5 is equals to 6. Problem 3. 17 minus 4 plus 12 minus 5. 1. Perform the first operation from left to right. 17 minus 4 is equals to 13. 2. Use the result from step 1 in the next operation. 13 plus 12 is equals to 25. Use the result from the step 2 in the next operation. 25 minus 5 is equals to 20. So the final answer is 20. Therefore, 17 minus 4 plus 12 minus 5 is equals to 20. Problem 4. 20 plus 15 minus 12 plus 5. Perform the first operation from left to right. 20 plus 15 is equals to 35. Step 2. Use the result from step 1 in the next operation. 35 minus 12 is equals to 23. Step 3. Use the result from step 2 in the next operation. 23 plus 5 is equals to 28. The final answer is 28. Therefore, 20 plus 15 minus 12 plus 5 is equals to 28. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. When a problem has only addition and subtraction, we solve the operations in the order they appear from left to right. Example, 9 minus 2 plus 4. 9 minus 2 plus 4 is equals to 9 minus 2, 7, plus 4 is equals to 11. Number 2. 25 plus 10 minus 4 minus 7. 25 plus 10 minus 4 minus 7 is equals to 25 plus 10, that is 35. Minus 4, that is 31. Minus 7, that is 24. Therefore, 25 plus 10 minus 4 minus 7 is equals to 24. Making generalization. How do we solve number expression involving addition and subtraction of 3 to 4 numbers? When a problem has only addition and subtraction, we solve the operations in the order they appear, from left to right. Evaluating learning. Solve the following number expression and show your solution and final answer. Here are the final answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!